I love Penguin more than any of the fluffy white kitties except for Mr. Peanuts. Of course, I love Mr. Peanuts, but Penguin is my friend. Nice Penguin. He's so pretty. Look, he's so cute. He's so big. Look at those paws, too. He's so happy to talk to me. I love him very much. He's such a good kitty. When I scratch him, he doesn't bite. He likes his tummy rubbed sometimes. Sometimes my tummy rubbing makes him mad, and he bites me. Don't bite me, Mr. Penguin. It's Lizard the puppet.
And Penguin the kitty.
It's Penguin and Lizard, Penguin and Lizard. It's a happy puppet day. Penguin and Lizard, Penguin and Lizard. That's the way we love to play. Hello, Penguin. Oh, so sweet. Lizard loves Penguin.